Hey dudes, what's good? Update video. Look what I got in the mail. Fancy camera work there. That's right, my Pistons came in. I already opened this up, of course. Look at those beautiful flat top Pistons. It's the good stuff. Now what's beautiful about these is these will go they'll work with pressed and floating connecting rods, which I'm gonna have pressed unless I end up buying these floating connecting rods. I don't know yet, I'm still debating. Came with these sweet Molly rings. See if it'll focus. Well, did for a second. Part numbers for everyone in case you're interested and you're curious. You can pause it and try to make out that terrible. I've thrown this phone so many times, I'm surprised it still works. But anywho, that's everything. If you're wondering, for those of you that don't know, if you're just learning, that's a stock Chevrolet piston. It's dished. They suck on compression. I think you only get 8.5 to 1 compression, which is just crap. Those right there will put up the compression. Also, I'm using 305 heads to put the compression up more. And see, already, that's what I was doing earlier, was doing the test fit. Look at that, perfect. Flushed. And these are like, every time I've rebuilt the motor, I've used these pistons and I was never let down. I've always been happy with these. All this stuff that I've purchased is all like, you know, from experience, products that I have experienced with and have used and installed before. I do my research always too, which I encourage everybody to do also. You know, there might be a variation like this right here. This is the first time trying the Jeg's version of these, but I expect them to be good because Jeg hasn't let me down ever. Anyways, just stay tuned, guys, for more updates. I appreciate. Like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your grandma, tell people you hate. I don't care. I'll take your subs. I'm not gonna freaking discriminate. Anywho, over and out. Peace. Have a good night.